Today I'm going to show you how to create AI video. Okay, so first we have to go Google and search Pixels. This is a free software. Actually this is not a full free, because when we log in, create one account, we can get 60 credits. Okay, so we can create a video from this free credit. For that one, just click video and select image. Okay, now I go into select image from just to go Google and search one image. Okay, from here we can search the image. I just select no copyright image. Okay, just type no copyright, just there is image. I select this image. Okay, then save my PC laptop. I just save it. After that, go back the Pixels AI tool and just select that image. Then okay. Then just type the prompt. We can use any prompt. Now just type the prompt like if you want to make kissing, hugging or something like that, you can do it here. Okay, just type what you want to do the image. Okay, I just type couple, make couple hug. Okay, kissing or something like that. This is the resolution 350. There is more resolutions there. This is see, if I select 5 seconds, only 20 credit. Okay, 8 seconds it will be 30. 8 seconds 30 credit, 40 credit. So I just select 5 seconds only. Okay, so only 20 credits you can use. This is the model. You can use any type of model available. This one is a latest one, so I select the latest one and just click the create. Okay, now our video is under processing. Okay, wait, it will not take too much time. It will only take 1 minute, no less than 1 minute. Now our video is ready. Just apply. See, this is a very real video we can create from here. This is free only. Each email account we can use 60 every day. It will be renew your credit. Okay, so we can create every day 5 videos. I just delete this one and remove the image from there. Okay, this one, this side you can change the time, resolution. If you change 550 pixel, you should be credit, it will be, see, 30 like that. Okay, one email account we can get 60 every day. It will be renewed every day. We can get 60 credits, so we can get 3 images per day. Okay, if you have more email address, you can create more account, then you can use this one. This is a very realistic AI video creation, image to video. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.